What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Velo, which has pumped up once again guys, over 25% in the last 24 hours, currently trading at 1 cent guys. So over the last week or so it's been gaining an insane amount of value, so that's what we're going to be going through in today's video. Is it still worth investing into it right now? Are you too late? Or on the other hand, should you sell it before it crashes back down, or should you hold on to it before it pumps back up in value? So we're going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, and looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks for the short-term traders, as well as over the next few months and overall in 2023, how high this crypto can go, and is it still a crypto that you should be investing into. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I'll be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So for those of you guys who haven't seen my Velo updates yet, the other day, about a couple of days ago, I did put out a video saying it's gonna hit the 1 cent target soon, and as you guys can clearly see, it has indeed hit 1 cent earlier today. So where is it heading to next, and what is its next target? So the market is down just over a percentage in the last 24 hours, and Velo is of course one of the top gainers. In the last hour itself, it has managed to drop half a percentage. Over the last day, nearly 30% up. Over the week, a huge 230% up guys in a single week. How crazy is that? It was literally trading at about half a cent, or not even a half a cent, and right now it's trading at 1 cent, nearly 3 times its value. And over the month, a massive 236%. But we can clearly see it all started on Valentine's Day on the 14th of February. It slowly started to pump up in value, and here we are today above 1 cent. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has again gone up by a massive 154%, making it $57 million in trading, which is again a huge percentage increase. And it's very likely the trading volume is likely to increase over the coming hours, as more and more people are likely to trade the crypto, as it is gaining a lot of attention and a lot of people are going to research into it. More investors, more sellers, and in general just a lot of people trading it. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So yes, we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Velo, which is here in purple at 0.004497. However, it is trading at more than double its average value here in green at above 1 cent, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, as usual, just a little disclaimer. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, meaning more gains in value are expected over the coming 12 to 14 hours from Velo. So let's say by midday tomorrow, I'm expecting Velo to be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. However, in between that time, I am expecting it to take a little bit of a drop, a little bit of a step back, dropping below, just below the 1 cent target, and after that pumping back up in value to around 0.013 to 0.014 by midday tomorrow. But it is going to be a slow and steady increase in value. Now moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days still looking bullish, still looking positive. So over the next 7 to 8 days guys, so by mid next week, I'm again expecting Velo to go for an overall increase in value. So we should be heading towards the 2 cents target by mid next week. Again, I'm not saying we are going to hit 2 cents, but more or less targeting 2 cents is what I'm expecting. So potentially trading around 0.017 to 0.019 is where I'm expecting Velo to be trading at by mid next week. But again, you guys have asked me for regular updates on this crypto, which I have been doing and I will be doing as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload, because these updates are very, very important guys, especially if there's a major update that comes through that can have a potential positive or negative impact on its value, then I will of course keep you guys updated. But yeah, so far is looking quite good over the coming hours and for the coming days as well. So let's move on to the daily chart. Next couple of weeks, again, I'm still bullish, still positive, guys. We've got the blue and the orange line heading upwards, going towards the positive direction, meaning once again an overall increase in value is expected from Velo over the coming 6 to 8 weeks. So mid-April to late April 2023, I am once again expecting Velo to go for an increase. But right now, guys, we should be aiming to go for about 4 to 5 cents target by over the next 2 months approximately. So by mid to late April, we should be trading between 4 and 5 cents. However, because it's pumped up so much over the last week or so, it is likely to take a little step back, quite of a drop over the coming weeks before it gains back value. But again, guys, with my daily updates or regular updates on this crypto, you guys will be able to keep up to date when the dip is expected and when it's going to pump up in value as well. But yeah, so far it's been quite good for Velo, and hopefully we can maintain the green side for the rest of the month and the rest of the year as well, you know, hitting huge numbers from Velo. Yes, I did mention Velo hitting 10 cents in the thumbnail. However, that is not right now. As you guys can clearly see, it's only trading at 1 cent, so it's only right we give it, you know, a good couple of months for it to head upwards. You know, it's going to have dips in between. That is part of the process, so we have to take that into consideration as well. So 10 cents I'm expecting Velo to be hitting over the next 5 to 6 months. So I'm going to say Q3 of 2023 is when I'm expecting Velo to be hitting the 10 cents target. Yes, I know it's pumped up over 200, I think it was 200%. Let's have a look here. Yeah, 230% in the last week. And if it manages to gain every week, manages to gain 230%, I know that you can hit 10 cents over the next 2 to 3 weeks. However, guys, we have to bear in mind that this has only happened this week. It's not going to be a continuous cycle where it's going to be hitting over 200% every single week. That's not the case. That's not how cryptocurrency works. We are likely to see a dip because it's pumped up so much. Right now it is overvalued, so a dip is very likely to happen. But again, that's going to be over the coming, potentially over the week or next week or so. But again, I will make sure to keep you guys updated. But yeah, so far so good for Velo, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below, when are you guys expecting Velo to be hitting the 10 cents target? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video. And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.